Hello everybody and welcome to Easy Medicine. My name's Carsten, I'm a fourth year medical student and this channel just celebrated its very first birthday. I wanted to take this opportunity to sit down and talk a little bit to you. I wanted to tell you why I started YouTube in the first place, what my first video was like, we're gonna have a look at that, and then I want to give a channel outlook, what's going to change in the future and what I'm doing to improve the overall content for you guys. Before we get into that, please hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel and want to see more medical content, and of course leave a like to support me, the channel, and thank you very much for that. Let's get into it. So I first started to think about starting a YouTube channel like in summer 2018. I was getting more and more into YouTube and I thought, yeah, now you've watched 3 hours of random videos about games and movie lists and music and all different kind of things, but you did not watch anything that holds some real value, some knowledge, something to think about. And then I thought like, wow, you hold some actual knowledge about science and you studied biology and now you're studying medicine. Maybe you could do a channel, maybe you could do some educational videos that hold some value for people. And I got more and more into the idea and the idea grew on me. And yeah, it took me 8 months to find the actual courage to start the channel and to upload my first video. And this looked like that. Hello everybody and welcome to Easy Medicine by TMD. I will be TMD. Wait, I will be TMD? Well, it was not that much, but yeah, it was my first video. And yeah, from that point on, not a lot changed until now. Same tripod, same camera, same microphone, same me, but 2 really important things changed. Number 1, it's you guys. There will at this point more than 400 people subscribe to this channel. I know in comparison to the big creators that is not much, but for me personally it means a lot, because I set a very own goal to myself that I want to find 365 subscribers within a year, because that meant that each day I found a new person who wanted to learn something new and who I could be like encouraging to learn more about their body. And yeah, that meant a lot to me and we crushed that goal. We got 400 subscribers and more right now, and I'm really happy that I found one person a day who wanted to learn something new, and I'm glad that you are subscribed to my channel, so thank you very much for that. I'm really happy. And the other thing that changed is my personal mindset, because I'm thinking every day, how can I improve the overall content on this channel and make the content more appealing for you guys. And one of the most important things is that I now upgraded my editing software. I do not have a lot of time, but now I finally got a new laptop, and so I got the opportunity to get Adobe Premiere Pro, and now I'm editing like in a more professional way, and I really hope that you guys can see this and that you kind of appreciate that I'm trying to improve the content, because I'm absolutely aware that I'm not putting out the best content on YouTube, but I'm really trying to improve it for you guys, to make it more intriguing for each and every one of you. So a little outlook to the future. I definitely want to do more vlogging. As I got now the better editing software, I think the vlogs will look a lot better and you guys seem to enjoy them, so I definitely try to do more vlogging, even though it's still kind of weird for me to run around and talk into a camera, but I'm getting used to it. And yeah, I want to encourage you guys to interact more with me. I really love it, and every time someone posts on a video or comments like good job, really enjoyed it, or just ask for a video for me to do it, I try always to make it happen. So please guys, interact more. I'm up for all criticism and all your input, please. The other day Jara, I hope I pronounced it correctly, texted me on Instagram and we had a little chat, and I absolutely enjoyed it. So guys, please try to interact more with me. I'm absolutely down for it, and I try to make the content the best for you and the most interesting for you, so you don't have to watch it because I put out a new video, but it's just the content you want to see and you enjoy, so everybody is more happy. So, and to finish it off, I hope you're all staying safe and healthy during these difficult times out there. All my best wishes go out to you, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.